In ASL, you commonly use your non-dominant hand in order to tell the order you did something in, to make your points, to list steps, to tell about other things in an orderly way, as well as for some other reasons. This is referred to as listing. If you wanted to make your points, you could discuss what you did this morning. What I did today. I woke up. Second. I showered. Third. I cooked breakfast. Fourth. I fed the dog. You can also list people in order of age and give details about them. My children. I have 3. Olivia, 12. James, 7. Sarah, Ann, 2. Then you can refer back. James, since I've already set this up, my only boy.